Hello and welcome back to another money making video. Today I'm going to show you something new. Using this brand new and never before seen method, I've made more than $1,000 in profit in just a single day. You can, however, earn more or less money depending on your circumstances. If you are successful in putting into action the plan that I'm about to share with you today, the outcome will be entirely reliant on you, and without watching the entire video, it is impossible to achieve the results shown in this example. For the duration of this video, I will provide you with several valid reasons to continue watching. And then I'm going to share one of the greatest strategies that are currently booming on the internet right now. I will also demonstrate how to earn and make a source of steady income by accepting offers in part 2 of this video. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Now, first things first, let's proceed to Google Trends. Simply type into the search box of your browser and click on the first result. Google Trends is a Google website that evaluates the popularity of the most common search queries in Google search across multiple countries and languages. When comparing the volume of different searches over time, the website makes use of graphs. To be clear, this is not how we will earn money. This is just a tool that we're going to use to identify money-making opportunities. What we're going to do is key in a popular topic that I have discovered on this site, which is debt relief. Now, what is debt relief and why this topic? Debt relief refers to efforts that are taken to decrease or reduce debt in order to make it simpler for the borrower to pay back their obligations on time. As we all know, we are still in this pandemic, and it is a struggle to pay back debts on time due to how it has affected us economically. Now, after typing in debt relief, you will then be directed to a page with a graph. Now, I want you to customize the time range. Just click on this button right here and switch it to the past 5 years. Based on what you can see on the graph, the lines are gradually moving upward as time progresses. Therefore, as time passes, more people are turning to the internet for debt relief assistance. Now, the next website that we'll go to is OfferVault.com. Now, what is OfferVault? OfferVault is a network of affiliate marketers. It is a reference tool that will assist you in finding offers to promote. Businesses will pay you to bring them more consumers, leads, sales, or whatever it is that they're looking for in this particular offer, and you will receive payment for your efforts. And in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step procedure on how to do it. What we're going to do next is type the words debt relief into the search bar on the website's homepage. As you continue to look through the results, you will notice that there are companies out there who are paying anywhere from $6 to $80. This means that if you choose the firm with the highest payout rate, you will receive $80 if someone clicks on your link and then contacts the company you recommend. So I'm recommending that you select an offer that you are interested in while also selecting a result that offers the largest payment among all of the offers, such as this one right here. As an example, I selected IRS tax debt relief transfers just for the United States with a compensation of $80. This program is intended to assist individuals who owe $10,000 or more IRS tax debt. Now click on it and it will take you to a new page that has the details of the offer. You will be able to examine the specifications of the offer as well as the qualification descriptions. Click on the Run Offer button that appears below the information section to proceed. And clicking on that will take you to the website right here where you can complete the application process. The first thing you need to do is complete the online form that has been provided for you. Fill it out with your information, including your name, address, and company name. If you do not have a company name, you can simply give your full name. Following that, simply enter your messenger screen name and select from the drop-down box the time range over which you've been involved in affiliate marketing. Finally, please respond to the remaining questions about affiliate marketing that are presented. Afterwards, check the small box to indicate that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions of the company and then click Join to be able to get your link. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. First and foremost, before we get into the specifics of where you'll be sharing your link, I'd like to introduce you to someone who believes in zero debt. He goes by the name of Dave Ramsey. He is a personal finance expert, radio show host, author, and businessman from the USA. And he believes in becoming debt-free because he too was formerly burdened by a significant amount of debt. He actually filed for bankruptcy since his debts had grown to such an extent that he was unable to pay them off. And now he has this following of readers from all around the world who appreciate his writings and his commitment to living debt-free. And those are types of people you want to basically get in touch with because those people are more likely to click on your link and call you, resulting in you receiving payment. The next thing we'll do is to go to a website that will help us find people to click on your link. Now go to Facebook and I'd like you to look up Dave Ramsey on Facebook. You might be asking why Dave Ramsey and not debt relief is being searched. While looking for debt-free may be too broad, searching for Dave Ramsey, who has 4.4 million followers on his Facebook page, will turn up plenty of Facebook groups that are supporting him, according to search results. These people in Facebook groups believe in debt-free and getting rid of your debts and in all of the other nice stuff that goes along with it. As you can see, there are a variety of Dave Ramsey groups, each with thousands of members. However, although they are not owned by Dave Ramsey, they are full of people who like Dave Ramsey and his methods of debt elimination. Now, I want you to become a member of every single one of those groups. After you've been accepted into the groups you have joined in, you will be able to publish messages in these groups regarding your special link. Although you may post solely your link, you should refrain from doing it because doing so will most likely result in you being thrown out of the group for spamming the group with your link, which is something I don't want to happen to you. So what you need to do is write a blog post that says something like, "This post is only for people who have high interest tax debt, who have $5,000 or more in debt that they need to pay off, and who are committed to wiping the slate clean and enjoying the freedoms that come with not having any financial obligations." Many people feel comfortable making comments here. If you are interested, you can contact me through my website. As a result, people are likely to respond to your content by leaving comments, and your content will rise to the top of the list as a result. And it won't be considered as spam because you did not include any links in your post. Suppose you do this 500 times a day and 250 people answer the phone. That's what happens if you do it every single day. You'll have to do the math. That is a significant sum of money. Okay, so this is a tried and true system that has been demonstrated to work. And it is a fantastic method to begin in affiliate marketing. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.